Learn cleaning tips and tricks with Rex Facilities Services, your guide to a cleaner, healthier space.
Torn window screens, large cracks in the foundation, around doors or window frames, loose or broken weather stripping and door guards, missing vent covers and broken soffits. All of these things should be fixed or replaced before doing your barrier treatment to keep pests from making your home their own. Hand pump sprayer, water, long sleeves, safety gloves, long pants, and closed-toed shoes. To use the 1 gallon pump sprayer, screw the hose onto the tank adapter. Turn the pump handle counterclockwise to remove the pump so that the tank may be filled. Wear gloves when mixing and handling pesticides such as nitrile chemical resistant gloves. Fill the tank 1/3 to 1/2 full of water. Shake the insecticide well before opening, then add the recommended amount of insecticide per the label to the sprayer tank. Secure the sprayer pump and gently shake to agitate the tank to begin mixing. Remove the sprayer pump and finish filling the sprayer with water to the 1 gallon mark. Replace the sprayer pump and tighten securely by turning the handle clockwise. To pressurize the sprayer, turn the handle quarter turn counterclockwise to release it. Then pump until you feel resistance. Push the handle down, turn a quarter turn clockwise to lock in place. Now you're ready to spray. Re-pump the sprayer as needed during application to maintain pressure. Turn the end of the nozzle to adjust the spray pattern from a pin stream to a wide cone spray. 3 feet up the foundation and structure and 3 feet out onto the ground in a continual band, around door frames and window frames, around areas where cables, pipes, wires enter into the structure, around vents and soffits, behind downspouts and shutters, and any other entry points into the home. Apply as a coarse spray to uniformly wet the foundation and or band area so that the insecticide will reach the soil or thatch level where pests may be active. Before application, remove debris and leaf litter from next to the foundation. Cut back vegetation and branches that touch the foundation and move or rake back rocks, deep mulch, or other potential pest harborage next to the foundation. You will want to rake back the ground cover at least 6 inches from the home before spraying. This allows the solution to penetrate down in the ground and reduce areas where pests can harbor. If you add new ground cover every year, remove the old ground cover before you add new ground cover to prevent organic material from building up that can attract pests. Overgrown trees, landscape, shrubs that are touching the sides of the house need to be trimmed back or removed completely. We want to trim those back at least 2 to 3 feet from the structure to make sure pests cannot climb onto your landscaping or onto your home, bypassing the barrier treatment we're going to be putting down. You also want to look for and remove freestanding water and check gutters. If those are blocked, clear them out so water can't back up and become a home for pests. A couple of things to keep in mind when spraying an insecticide as a perimeter barrier treatment. Do not spray to the point of runoff. Keep pets and children out of the treatment area while spraying until the application is dried, which is usually about 1 hour. This will help ensure that the wind and rain does not blow or wash away the treatment. After use, spray some clean water through the tank outside as a rinse. If you leave the solution sitting in the tank for a prolonged period of time, re-agitate the tank before spraying. Do not leave in the sprayer overnight. Minimize where you spray by focusing on cracks and crevices and areas where pests may hide, and not spraying it across large areas of carpet or floors. Remove children and pets from areas being treated until the spray has dried. After it's dry, it is safe for them to re-enter.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with Rex Facilities Services, your partner for a cleaner, healthier space. See you in the next video.